In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Google Chrome from Microsoft Edge. We'll walk through installing Google Chrome on Windows 11, making it your default browser, and bringing over your bookmarks and passwords from Edge. I'll also point out a small Windows quirk to be aware of so there are no surprises. Start by using Microsoft Edge to get Chrome. Open Edge and go to the official Google Chrome download page. Click the button to download Chrome, and when the download finishes, open the installer file, typically named Chrome Setup. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose Yes. Follow the on-screen steps. The installer will handle everything and launch Chrome when it's done. This usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your connection. Next, let's make Chrome your default browser so links open there automatically. The easiest path is from inside Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Settings, then find Default Browser. Click Make Default. Windows settings will open automatically. There, Windows may show a confirmation or a Set Default button. Approve the change and Chrome becomes your go-to for web links and most web-related file types. If you prefer doing it from Windows, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then Default Apps. In the search box, type Google Chrome and select it. Click Set Default. This tells Windows to use Chrome for common web protocols and file types without you having to adjust them one by one. If you see individual entries like .htm, .html, or HTTP and HTTPS, setting the overall default usually updates those for you. Now, bring your data over so it feels like home. The first time Chrome opens, it typically offers to import your bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, and autofill data from Edge. Choose what you want and continue. If you skipped that prompt, no problem. Open Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to open the Bookmarks Manager. Click the three dots in that window, select Import Bookmarks and Settings, and choose Microsoft Edge. Pick the items you want to import and confirm. You can repeat this later if you decide to add more. One important note: even after switching, a few Windows 11 features, like widgets or certain system-level searches, might still open in Microsoft Edge. That's normal behavior in Windows. For your everyday browsing, you'll now be in Chrome. And that's it. You've installed Chrome, set it as your default, and brought your data with you. Enjoy your new setup and happy browsing.